Guys, it's Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Today I'm coming on just to share a little creative space that I found online called Kittl.com, Kittl, no E.com. On there you can make lots of nice sublimation t-shirts, tumblers, whatever you want. And you can also see the mock-up. They have some cool fonts and stuff you can use. And there's a paid version, but I'm just using the free version. And it prints out. It says it's going to be a watermark, but there's no watermark on mine. So let's get started. Let's just make a few, a couple things. So the first thing you want to do is, start a new project, which is right here. And then it's going to ask you what type of project you want. I'm just going to go standard, create. All right. So then I'm going to go to templates, and I'm going to go to t-shirts because that's what I want to make. So let's just click there. And you could use one of these as long as it doesn't have that little orange box. You could use it. So let's just try one. You could try that one. All right. And let's just X that out. All right. So if you want to see how that would look on your t-shirt, you just click over here. Oops, you got to select it all first. But let's see if it'll do it because, nope. So we have to go back to editor. And we want to make sure we select it. Now, go to your t-shirt. And there it is. So now you can just, make it the way you want it on the t-shirt and see how it's going to look. You can move it up so you can put text down here or whatever you want. All right, so let's just go back to the editor. And I'm going to take that out because I really don't want that. All right. I should have selected all. All right, here we go. So let's just, I'm going to go back and do a new project. And same thing. All right, so now let's do some text. This is really cool here. So you can choose any of these, and this is the one I chose for my little project that I did a few minutes ago. And you can take anything off you don't want. I'm gonna move that and that so we can see. If you hear something snorting, it's my dog. So you know what? I don't want that. But right here, I'm going to put my logo here. And then you could go and change it to a different font. They don't have a whole lot in the free version, but they have enough. So enough for me anyway. So you can scroll down and see more. Here we go. I'm just going to choose something. And then I'm going to change the color to red. So I already did a pink one. And then I'm going to go here and I'm going to make that jewelry. And I'm going to go, and then let's make that a color. A font. Something smaller than the other one. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, that's cute. And then here, I'm going to put and crafts. All right. Now, I think I want that one just a little bigger. Oh, sorry. Here's a text one. Make that a little bigger. And then I'm going to pull this one down. Oops. Got to double click to get it to do anything by itself. So I'm going to, oops, I grabbed the wrong one. All right. Let's get that one by itself and pull it down. And then we're going to pull this one down. All right. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just demonstrating how it works. All right. So then let's change that text to maybe something like that. Maybe a little darker. Red. All right. That looks good. Let me change that a little bit because I don't like the way that J looks. So you can just play with them. Let's see. All right. And then do all my letters. So let's try a different one. I guess I could just, no, that doesn't work. So we just need a different one. How about that? Let's see. I think that's the one we started with. Okay. I just need a tinier one so to give me all my letters. All right. All right. There we go. We still got a little J, but I'm not going to worry about it. All right. So we got all of that. We're going to highlight it all and make it a little bigger. All right. Now we could do some fun stuff with the letters. So we can take jewelry and we can make it go that way. We can make crafts. And you could do this with a lot of programs. I just thought this one was so cute. You could distort it a little bit. Or angle it. That's cute. You could arch it. You could rise it. That's cute. Let's see what else you could do. And let's see what a flag looks like. Oh, that's really cute. All right. So, Kathy's Jewelry and Craft. Oops, I forgot the S. Let's put the S on there. Okay. I guess the S was on there, but with this one is, with this font, it just won't show up. So let's try a different font. But you get the idea. Let me just try that one. It might be the same one we tried before. There we go. And crafts. All right. That is so cute. We could do something with this one too. Let's see. Oh, that looks nice. All right. So then we can go to, I think, elements. And we can add like something cool. Right, Rocky? I think earlier, let me see. I put a flower on there earlier, but as long as it doesn't have that little orange thing, you can use it. Let's see what I want to use this time. Maybe another flower. Or you can use, let's see. I'm looking for something that would be cute. There we go. So we could put a flower. You could, oh, I did it twice. You can't double click because then you get it twice. Okay. So, okay, there we go. I clicked way too many times. And I'm going to make that a little smaller. And I think I want it like on the top, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. I don't like him after all. Let's see what else we got. This one might look better. So you just grab them and drag. You don't have to click because then you get too many of them. Maybe I want it right there. All right, let's see what we got. And then you can center everything by highlighting everything. And these little things here, one of them says center, that one. Sometimes they don't center correctly, but I'm missing something over here too. I just noticed my S. So let's try a different font for this one because I need my S. How about that one? Oh, I don't like that. Let's try a different one. And you can play with fonts all day. I know I can, but I'm just trying to get all my letters in right now. One more try, and then I'm going to be done with the fonts. Let's see. Rocky, are you snoring? Let's try bangers. All right. It doesn't look as cute as the first one. But anyway, you get the idea. So then let's see what else they have. Photos. You could add a photo if you wanted to. They have all kind of cool stuff. And you could just keep going on and add, different components to it. You could upload photos. Let's see what else they have. These are some of the ones that you have to pay for, but these are logos and things like that. Some of them you don't have to, like that one looks like it's actually, oh, no, we don't want that. That would have to go on its own page, so no. Show all. So there's lots to choose from. All right, so when you're ready and that's what you want, that's not all that pretty, but that's what we got. And so then you're going to have, this is when the mouse comes in. You have to right click. And for sublimation, you have to flip horizontal. So there it is. But before we do that, let's look at our design on a mock-up. It's not going to show up. Wait a minute. I clicked it too many times, so now it's off. Hold on. You have to highlight it before you do that. Sometimes you can just click, but no. So I have to go back, and I have to select all, and then click it. Then if it doesn't show up, you just click the shirt. There it is. And of course it's little because we made it little, but you can make it bigger by just pulling these things. And you can see how it's going to fit on your shirt. And then when you're ready, you can download the mock-up, or I think you can save it to the cloud, or you can go back and you can just download what you made. So that's what I'm going to do. I don't really like this, but I'm going to do it just to show you that you can download it. And then you have these options here, PNG, JPG, JPEG, but these you have to pay for, SVG and PDF. So I don't know how much this program costs, but if you need SVG, that would be good. All right, so the free plan, you can only export size 800 pixels. So that's what you get. So let me exit out of that. Oh, I was going to download it, wasn't I? So I'm going to do PNG. Remember to credit. They want you to credit that you got it from them and everything, okay? So then, there it is. And then, oh, we forgot to flip it. All right, so let's go back. All right, so let's go out of that. We want to right click. We want to select it all first. And then right click. And then flip it. And then you would download it to your PNG. And then you can do whatever you want to. You can print it from this screen right here. So print. And everything comes up on the screen. So you don't have to do a page setup. So I'm going to send it to my Sawgrass 500. And I'm just going to use regular US letter paper. It's sublimation paper. And then I could either do a landscape or portrait. And then, of course, I would go down to my um, Sawgrass Print Manager and print it out. I'm not going to print this out because I think this is kind of hideous, but if I wanted to print it out, I could print it out, and there it is. So I could print that and it will go right to my Sawgrass. But I'm going to cancel it, and I'm going to cancel that. And they want you to copy and credit where you use the program if you're not doing the paid one. And so I don't know where you would do that at, but I guess I could leave it at the bottom of my description of my YouTube video, because if I'm making a sublimation shirt, I'm not going to put it on the shirt. So, but anyway, I don't know how much this program costs, but I thought it was really cute to play with, and maybe, just maybe, instead of buying all those designs off of Etsy, you can design your own shirts. And you can upload pictures into here and bring in other things. Let's try that. Let me see. Here's a PNG happy face. See if you can drag and drop. Yep, you can. You can drag and drop. All right. So I can drag and put that in there somewhere, even though it's making it uglier and uglier. And you can remove background. That is awesome. That's probably a paid, upgrade. All right. That's a paid function, but that's pretty cool. Just that function alone. Because I have to go to background, BG, what is it, remove background or something online every time I want to remove it. But if it was right in the program, that would be really cool. All right. Well, I hope you learned something new today. This has been Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. And please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.